So this is the day-old rice that I made yesterday. I cooked it in coconut milk and used some Asian spices. I have here, this is what I bought from Malaysia. It's supposed to be tea, but it's made from spices. It's an Asian spice mix. You can see here it has ginger, cardamom, coriander, black pepper, white pepper, cloves, cinnamon, galangal, and other herbs. These are all Asian herbs. So since I don't like it as a drink, I'm using it as a spice, and very it blends very well with coconut milk dishes and also in making rice and coconut milk. And I also use this local product. This local product here. This one. This is made in the Philippines. It's Delphas. And you can see it's a mixture of herbs. These are not necessarily Asian species. Guyabano is South American. And I'm not very sure with the others. I'll check later. But tastes also good as a drink and also for dishes since it has no sugar added. Look at that. Has no sugar added. Okay, so it's a local product from where I am in Cavite. It's a 12-in-1 herbal powder drink. Yeah. No, it's not completely Asian. Okay, so since konti lang yung kanin ko, I'll just be using about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. And, yan. Hindi ko kasi mapapakita yung chopping since I'm doing this video on my own. Okay, so, magic na. Okay, so, nagtataka kayo bakit malaki yung kutsilyo ko. Kasi ginagamit ko siya pang press. Kasi wala yung almirez namin eh. So, ang ginagawa ko na lang, yan, pinipress ko lang siya nitong malaki. Actually, mas maganda yung mas malapad talaga. Kasi wala rin dito. Ayun. Ayan. So, na-chop ko na yung garlic. Hindi ako ganun kagaling mag-chop ng garlic. So, hindi ko na lang pinakita. And kasi nga, I'm just filming it on my phone. So, garlic is not a native species of the Philippines. But it's been around in Asia. It's from Central Asia. It's a species from Central Asia. Pero, yun, ginagamit ko siya around the world. Dahil masarap siya. And it's also medicinal benefits. Lalo na if it's just raw as possible. So, mas maganda pag sa fried rice, may konti lang na panggisa para lumabas yung garlic oil niya, which is also healthy. And merong raw lang to top it later. Raw lang yung garlic. Yan, so I'm already heating my pan. Wala kasi akong wok. Actually, wok, it's not very, hindi siya ginagamit sa Filipino cuisine. Yun nga, kasi ang talagang original na paluto ng Pilipino ay palayok. Yun ang aming parang pinakakatumbas ng wok na ginagamit namin all around at pinapasa to generations. Wala rin kaming palayok dito, pero it's a pot. Yeah, modern na ng mga palayok. Pero yung palayok talaga, it's a clay pot. So, usually mga lutong Pilipino kasi, binoboil lang together. Palayok. So, and yung pan naman is an influence of Spanish colonization, European influence. So, yan, ginigisa ko na yung garlic. Hanggang maging brown siya. So, nilalagyan ko siya ng toge, alternative sa meat, kasi I mostly cook for my lola, and magandang alternative sa meat ang bean sprouts. It's full of nutrients. the native bean sprout, munggo, na nagiging tauge. Yun. So, ang hirap palang mag-video habang nagluluto. So, yan. Nilagay ko na yung aking coconut rice. Nakalimutan ko magprito ng itlog, so itatry natin yung method na piprito siya sa gitna. So, papagalitan ako ni Uncle Roger kasi umaapaw yung kawali ko. Kala ko kasi konti lang yun. Ang lit-lit kasi yung nilagyan. Kala ko, kasya na yung maliit na kawali. At saka wala nga kasi akong malaking buhok. Yan. Mapiprito kaya siya. Ayan, so hindi ko lang kung tama yung ginagawa ko. Pero yan, mimix ko na siya. Magluluto-luto na itlog. Ang hirap kasi maghalo ng isa lang kamay. So, i-stop ko muna to. So, nalagay ko na kasi yung soy sauce. So, ito na lang. Lagyan ko ng konting sesame oil. Ayan, tapos pang inis lang kay Uncle Roger, lalagyan ko siya ng konting olive oil. So, yung munti ko na makalimutan, lalagay natin yung raw garlic para healthy. So, ito na yung fried rice. Wala kasi ako ng spring onion eh. So, yan na yun. Maganda ba itsura? O, tapos ininit ko na rin yung ulam namin kahapon. Kagabi pala. Yan ay dalagang bukid at saka ginataang gulay. Tapos, may pasalubong din mama ko kagabi. It's from Nono's Comfort Kitchen. Yan, salad. Salad! Yes. So, that's my lola's food for today. The fish, the fried rice, egg fried rice, and the ginataang gulay. Lola, anong pangarap mo?
Kumain, matulog.
Kumain, matulog. Eh di araw-araw pangarap mo natutupad. Ano pong pangarap nyo? Anong pangarap mo, Lola, nung bata ka? Kami. Anong gusto mo maging nung bata kami? Ha? Anong pangarap mo nung bata ka? Anong gusto mo maging paglaki mo?
Maging teacher sana.
Ah, teacher pala. Ay, natupad si mama teacher. Anong tuturo mo, me? Agriculture. Sabi mo, gusto mo mag-aral ng agriculture nun, di ba?